In this video, we see how to solve questions in less time. So, here first question is, if in a certain code language raw is written as TIN and net is written as SHG, how is water written in that code? First, given that RAW is written as tin, TIN here, and next one is net, NET, written as SHG. Here in R place in code language T, in A place I, in W place N. In this way, water in this word water, in W place what is here N, in A place I, here in A place I, in T place where is T, here in net, in T place G, in E place H, in R place here T. So the answer NIGHT. Third one is correct. But in shortcut way, first observe letters. This letter and this letters. What is the first word? Raw. Raw is written as tin and net is written as SHG. So in water, W, in W place we observe here N. So we know N is first letter in code word. Where is N in first letter in these options? In third option, fourth option, N in first letter, N as first letter. So delete first and second options. Now 3 and 4 options. Fourth option is first 3 letters are common. So don't think about these first 3 letters. Go to last letter. Here R. In R place we observe T. So where is T? Observe in these options in last place. In third option we observe T in last letter in this word. So this is correct answer. Third one is correct answer. Next, if in a certain language executive is coded as EVITUCEXE, then what is mostly coded in that language? When we observe here, we first letter is last letter of this word. That means E is here and X is here. So letters are arranged in reverse order. In this letter, in this word also, here observe which option is started with M in these options. Second and third options are started with M. So delete first option and fourth option. In second or third options, which letter is ended with M? Second letter is ended with M. Second word is ended with M. Third word is not ended with M. So second one is correct answer. Select the letter cluster that will replace the question mark in the following series. See the series. In this series, here A, B absent and C, D absent and E. In this series, B but C absent. Here A2, here B and C, here D. So here also after U, V. After K, which letter comes? L. So second option is correct. Next one. If in a certain code language BHAI is written as 2819, then how will CDHG GH be written in that language? When we arrange ABCDs in numerical order, C D E F G. When we give numbers to these alphabets 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we observe B is in second place and H, GH is 8 number in 8th place, A is in first place. So these numbers are given according to this order. Now how will CDGH be written? Here first one is C. So C is in third place. Where is C in first letter? That means first number in these options. Here 3 and in this option also 3. So delete second option and fourth option. In these two options second number is also 4. So don't think about second number. Go to last number. H. Last letter is here H. So number of this H is equals to 8. Where is H? Where is 8 in these two options? First one 3, 4, 7, 8. So this is correct answer. Six persons A B C D E F G and H. What are the persons' names? B C D F G H are sitting in a fixed row. In a row and facing to the north. This is north. These are the conditions. B and C are sitting at the ends. Here they said B and C are sitting at the ends. Facing to the north side. Facing to the north side. F is sitting second to the left of C. Second to the left means this is left side. First place this is second place. So here F. D is adjacent to both B and H. D is adjacent to B means here. Don't write here because B only last person. So adjacent means between two numbers. So between H and B, D here. What is the position of G? Where is place in this row? We observe here empty place. So here G. So position of G with respect to F. With respect to F. So it is right to F. So immediate right.